Hello everyone, I am Fawad and today's lecture is about the build system, which is CMake. So CMake is a build tool, and as you know that when you create a C++ project or any other platform project, you need a configuration so that the header and the source files could automatically be configured and you don't need to do anything else. So this is the CMake build tool through which you create a CMake list.txt file, and in that file you write your code, you define the headers, you define the source files, you define the executables, and you define the path of the libraries. And when you execute the CMake list through CMake build tool, automatically the project is generated and displayed on your screen in the specific compilers with specific compilers. So this is the CMake tool. You need to install the CMake tool. This URL is available in the description. You should click on this, and the platform is available for both, for the Unix operating system and for the Windows. So since I am using the Windows, so I have installed the Windows x64 zip version. I have downloaded and installed and you can see this is the installed version of the CMake. You don't have to do anything else. For example, this is a project and I want to create build for this project. I have already the CMake list available. So this is the CMake list. This is the project name and all the description of the header and executables. When I click on configure, it generate a configuration, and then when I click on the generate, the build folders is created at that specific path. And when I open the project in the Visual Studio, automatically all the source files, all the headers and everything get adjusted. So these are the source files and these are the libraries, these are the headers. So the path, this is the UI frame, the graphical user interfacing. So all the things are automatically adjusted and you don't need to do anything else. So in order to make things easy for yourself, you need to use CMake build tool in your project. This is the first demo video. I will create a complete lecture series on how to declare variable in CMake and how to define the executables, the headers, and what are the necessary syntax which should be followed. So I will teach you all the things in this course. This is a very basic course, so all the beginners will enjoy this course. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel so that you may get more information about this course. Thank you so much.